Today we're going to be creating our Basquiat Dinos. We are going to be taking our painted paper and we're going to start by sketching out 2 different dinos on the back. We are going to be using shapes to do this. Simple shapes for our head, for our body. Think about where their arms, their legs, do they have tails? Where those would be located. There I have a T-Rex, and here I'm going to try a Stegosaurus. I'm doing an oval body, kind of a curved triangle, tail nice and long, some ovals for my legs, kind of a triangle shape for my head, spike triangles along the back. They might even go along the tail as well. I need to decide which dino I'm going to create and which direction my paper should go. I'm doing the Stegosaurus, so I have my paper going landscape. I'm going to recreate those shapes large on the front of my paper using my pencil. Make sure you are doing a big dinosaur. Once I have all my details done in my pencil, I'm going to get that thumbs up. Once I have my thumbs up, I'm going to get my paint marker. Remember, I do not shake, I do not squeeze, I do not slam. And I'm going to go over top of my pencil lines. Once I have gone over all the pencil lines, I'm going to color in the dinosaur all the way black. There I have my black dino. Once it has dried, we are going to use oil pastels to do our details. Everyone is going to start with the white. This kind of makes it look kind of like a skeleton, if we remember the paintings we saw before. I'm recreating some of those shapes, and I'm even adding some little bone-looking pieces as well. I can do more than one layer of the shape. It looks kind of sketchy. Here I gave eyeballs and even some teeth, some claws for my feet. And then I'm going to add the detail like he likes to do, that crown to show importance. I color that crown all the way in with my white. I press nice and hard. Now I can use some other colors. Since I used the cool colors for my background, I'm going to use some of those warm colors. I'm starting with the yellow, my lightest color, and I'm creating my crown. Make sure you put the oil pastels back in the correct space when you finish with them. I'm adding some little detail and scribble marks around the outside because I did that background. Cool colors, remember I'm using those warm colors. My orange, I'm adding and coloring other pieces and parts. As I finish that, I can use my black. I'm outlining around my crown, and I'm even going to add some words. Find an empty space to add your word. Here, I'm adding the word roar. I'm making sure to press hard with my oil pastel. I decided to go in and add some lines around my dinosaur for emphasis. There is our Basquiat Dinos.